to Digit. In this video, we are going to show you how you can pair the Noies Earbuds Plus with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that the device is properly charged and that you've read through the user manual to understand all the different features it has and how you can go about operating it properly. To initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Next, open the case of the earbuds to activate the pairing mode or the earbuds inside. You can also remove the earbuds for good measure. Next, on your smartphone, head over to the Bluetooth settings panel. Tap on Pair New Device. Your phone will now search for all active available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Your phone will now give you a confirmation prompt. Tap on Pair. And you can see that it's now properly paired. It's marked as active and that it has 100% battery. So that's how you pair the Noies Earbuds Plus with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.